The COVID-19 pandemic of India is a part of worldwide pandemic of coronavirus disease 2019 caused by novel coronavirus SARS-CoV-2, that is severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. India reported its first case of COVID-19 infection on 30 January 2020. India currently has the highest number of confirmed cases in Asia and second highest number of active cases in the world after the United Nations, with over 8 million people suffering from the infection, 1 lakh deaths, and 7 million people recovering from the infection. Michael Ryan, the Chief Executive Officer of World Health Organization's Health Emergency Programs, noted that India has tremendous potential to deal with the outbreak, owing to its experience in eradicating smallpox and polio virus. India's Ministry of Information and Broadcasting claims that the country's case fatality rate is 2.41%, which is amongst the lowest in the world. It was in June 2020 that the rate of recovery exceeded the rate of active cases in India for the first time. As of September 10, 2020, Lakshadweep remains the only region of India which has not reported any active case. So the cases have started dropping since September 2020. It was announced in October by the government that the COVID infection has reached its peak in India and may be brought to control by February 2021. In the unavailability of vaccine, the only way to prevent the spread of infection is by following the aforementioned list of do's and don'ts by the government directives.
Hand sanitizer is essential, pocket-friendly, germ-killing antiseptic solution. Nowadays, it is very much important to kill deadly coronavirus. There are two types of hand sanitizer available in market. First one is alcohol-based sanitizer and second one is non-alcohol-based sanitizer. In alcohol-based sanitizer, there is 60 to 90% of alcohol content is present. It is generally in liquid form. In non-alcohol-based sanitizer, there is a very less amount of alcohol is present. It is generally in gel form. As alcohol is effectively involved in microorganism killing, so we should generally prefer alcohol-based sanitizer for more safety.
Masks act as a weapon to fight against COVID-19. Masks act as a barrier between nose, mouth and external environment. Three major types of masks used in this pandemic are N95 respirator, surgical mask and fabric mask. Government has advised not to use N95 respirator as it consists of exhalation valve which makes it unviable during this pandemic. Instead, the citizens should use fabric mask. Fabric mask consists of three layers. Outer layer is made up of hydrophobic material such as polyester or polyester and cotton blend so that it repels the droplet. Middle layer acts as a filter and is made up of hydrophobic material such as polypropylene fabric. Inner layer is made up of hydrophilic material such as cotton so that it absorbs the droplet which is expelled through your breath. Mask should be effective and it should allow you to breathe easily. One should wear mask such that it covers your nose, mouth and chin. Fabric mask is suggested to people not working in healthcare setting, people not suffering through corona, while surgical mask is suggested to people working in healthcare setting and people suffering through corona. One should sanitize their hand before wearing a mask. Always hold your mask by using the elastic strap. And try to fix this flexible band around your nose. Try to cover it. have to cover your chin. And after a few hours, if you want to remove this mask again, sanitize your hand. Pull this elastic strap out. After removing the mask, you have to sanitize your hand once again. If you want to reuse your mask, you have to keep it in a plastic resealable bag and wash it till later. For washing, you have to keep it in hot or warm water at 60 degrees Celsius with detergent. This infectant is not recommended as it contains harmful chemicals. Your mask should withstand boiling temperature. Remember, mask alone cannot protect you from COVID-19. It must be combined with other protective measures.
Social distancing, also known as physical distancing, is to maintain a safe distance between you and other people who are not from your household. It should be practiced in combination with other preventive measures to avoid the risk of spreading COVID-19. These measures include wearing your mask, avoid touching your face with unwashed hands, and washing your hands frequently with soap or hand wash, at least for 20 seconds.
As we all know, precaution is better than cure. So in this pandemic situation, it is good to take certain preventive measures to boost our immunity. The Ministry of Ayush recommended certain healthcare guidelines to boost our immunity with a special reference to respiratory health. They are like, do eat Chyawanprash regularly, drink warm water throughout the day, do yoga practices regularly, drink kadha made from adrak, ilaichi, ashwagandha, dalchini once or twice in a day. Take 1 to 3 grams of ashwagandha with warm water. Apply coconut oil and ghee in nostrils in morning. Take steam at least once in a day. Do drink haldi doodh once or twice in a day. By following these guidelines, we can boost our immunity and fight against corona.
Simply by following few preventive measures, we can all help flatten this curve. So let's be responsible and do our bit. Until, stay informed, stay safe.